Hi everyone, thank you for coming back to my channel. I got some fabulous response for last video on napkin fold card for scrapbook pages. I thought I can teach you few more styles of cards used for scrapbook pages and cards. So today I'll teach you twist and fold card. This is how a twist and fold card looks like. It opens beautifully and looks very interactive when added to a scrapbook page. We need an 8 inches square to start off with. Fold it into half. You can see how I am folding from both the sides. Now fold the rest 4 inches into half again. You will get a center point. You have to repeat the process from all 4 sides for this. After folding everything, you can see you will get 16 2 by 2 squares. Now we'll focus on the inner 4 squares and we'll make a diamond shape. We'll pencil line it so that we know where we need to do the creasing later. Join one box to another diagonally. You'll get a diamond. Now onto this diamond, you can see to the points, start marking the way I'm showing you. You already have the creases here, just you need to mark these. Now one more mark you need to do is 4 inches line now, which is on your right hand side of your 2 inches mark on the points. You have to do that 4 times. Keep moving the paper and you will be able to mark. Now you have 4 lines, 2 inches lines and 4 inches lines, including 4, so that makes it 8. Fold on the pencil mark which we have done for the diamond shape. Just crease that much. All the creases are ready for you now. Now just start folding, keeping the lines aligned. I'm showing you how to fold that. You have the creases ready, just you need to fold it for the card. So that is how they keep folding to one another. And by the end of it, it looks something like this. Now this is a 4 inches square. Your result is a 4 inches square. If you wish to make it a 8 inches square, you need to take a 16 inches base paper. Now this is how it looks from the back and this is the front of the card. I'm keeping the dimension on the side to make it easier for you. Now I'm taking a 3.57 inches square. I'll fold it into half and again fold it into half so that I can get 4 2 by 4 equal squares out of it. Now these squares will go on my front panel. We'll keep it closed and adhere it that ways only rather than opening everything and then adhering. So this thing is completely optional where you're decorating the card. You can leave it like that also. You can put pictures, you can do other kind of tricks to decorate it. I'm just trying to put a pattern paper and I'll put some hearts. Now I have punched these hearts out of a glitter paper and we'll just adhere it there. So when you open, your complete paper looks like this, your card looks like this, and this is how it opens. So inside you can put a picture or you can even do any kind of messages. You can subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon if you have liked the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.